Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss one question where we are required to find out minimum and maximum level of stock based on last 12 months data. The following data relates to a firm for the last 12 months. Minimum use of components 50 units per week. Maximum use of component 120 units per week. Normal usage 80 units per week. Delivery period varies from 4 to 6 weeks. Orders are placed for 500 units at a time. Calculate maximum level and minimum level for component. We got minimum consumption 50 units, maximum consumption 120 units, minimum delivery period required is 4 weeks. That means once we place an order, supplier supplies the product taking minimum period of 4 weeks, maximum delivery period is 6 weeks. Reorder quantity, whenever we are ordering, we are required to order in terms of 500 units at a time. We can calculate reorder level, maximum consumption multiplied by maximum delivery period required. So your maximum consumption is 120 units and maximum delivery period is 6 weeks. So reorder level is 720 units. We can calculate maximum level of materials, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus reorder level plus reorder quantity minus to bracket minimum consumption multiplied by minimum reorder period. Reorder level we have calculated 720 units. It is given in the question orders are placed for 500 units at a time. This is reorder quantity. Minus into bracket minimum consumption. Minimum consumption we have 50 units. Minimum period 4 weeks. (720 units plus 500 units) minus into bracket 50 multiplied by 4. So it will be 1220 minus 200. So finally we get 1020 units as maximum level. Now we can find out minimum level. To calculate minimum level of material, formula is reorder level minus into bracket normal consumption multiplied by average reorder period. Reorder level we have calculated 720 units minus into bracket normal consumption. Normal consumption they have given here 80 units. In the absence of this information, we could have taken average of minimum usage and maximum usage. So normal usage is given 80 units multiplied by average reorder period. So here average reorder period means minimum period plus maximum period divided by 2. Minimum period is 4 weeks, maximum is 6 weeks. So it will be 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, that is 5 weeks. $720 minus 400, so it will be 320 units. That will be minimum level of material. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.